In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and delete skills from your employees. Your skills are what determines your employees' priority in the autofill feature of TeamWork 5 schedules. So your skills are more than a list of the tasks your employee can perform. To adjust an employee's skills, go to the top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected, then click on Employees. Once you arrive at your list of employees, choose the employee whose skills you would like to adjust. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Skills. This employee only has 2 skills listed. You can see the location for the skill, the station, and their priority, which is their star rating. This employee can work both as a cashier and a bus person, so I will go ahead and add a new skill for bus person. To do that, I'll go to the top of the chart and click on Add. Then I will select the location, which is after hours, and the station, bus, and the priority. I'll go ahead and leave this at a priority of 5. If I changed my mind and I don't want to add this skill, I will click Close. I do want to add this skill, so I'm going to choose Save. Now that skill has been added to my chart. This employee cannot actually work as a cook, so that last skill shouldn't be there. To delete it, I will click on that skill and go to the bottom of the chart and choose Clear. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete this skill. If I don't, I'll choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that skill has been deleted. Right now, this employee has the same priority as both a bus person and a cashier. Maybe at this point, I need more bus people than I do cashiers. So to change the cashier priority, I can click on Cashier, then go to the bottom of the chart and adjust this number. I will go ahead and change this to 3, then choose Update. Now this person's rating has changed for cashier. Their stars is not a rating for their skill level, it is a priority parameter. The more stars you give someone, the more likely they are to be scheduled at that position. So if I really need this employee to work as a bus person, say I've lost some bus people and I really need that position filled, I can select bus and go all the way to the top priority, which is 9. Now this person is very likely to be scheduled at the bus station when I use the autofill feature to fill in my schedules. That's how you can adjust, add, and delete skills for your employees. Check out the next video to learn how to mass update your employees' schedule information.